The topic is how we youth are going to preserve the Tijaniyyah heritage. Àwọn Yorùbá wọ́n ní ẹyin ló ń di àkùkọ. What they are trying to say is whatever has happened in the past, ṣókùn àwa. The most important thing is how we young guys are going to come together to become one. I have 2 minutes. I'll say one thing. Sheikh Ibrahim said, Lili nafsin aibun, Lili fuadi aibun, Lili ruhi aibun, laysa fihi raibun. Every one of us, including our fathers, they have their own mistakes. Even Al-Fuad, that Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was called, he has his own mistakes. Ruhi, that is even the Amrullah, that is Ruhu, has his own his own mistakes. Laysa fihi raibun, that there is nowhere you go. You always find yourself as somebody who has mistakes. Whatever mistake that had happened in the past, please don't let us look at it. The water in the bottle, if you pour it in the glass, it's the same water. It's only that the bottle is the source and we are the resources. The resources today must be the source. The resources today are the sources of tomorrow. So what I'm trying to say there is that don't give any excuses to become the best at what we do. And the Englishman said, all excuses are genuine. They are fertilizers to see. They are fertilizers to failure. What we are saying is, whatever happened in the past, please, it is none of our own business. Let us come together to achieve one goal. That is unity of Islam and Tijaniyyah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Jazakumullah khair. Yes, I'm going to translate this later after the whole thing. Yeah, Sheikh Abdul Rahim Ali. ننتقل إليكم إن شاء الله.